Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create dark mood color grading using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application. And first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created, this one, and then I'm going to apply dark mood color grading to this video. Okay, we're going to go to the adjustment, select adjust right here, and then you're going to follow my adjustment. Okay, let's start with the brightness. For the brightness, we're going to make it -13. Okay, and then the next one is the contrast. For the contrast, we're going to make it 10. Okay, 10. And then for the saturation, we're gonna make it 15. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the sharpen. Okay, for the sharpen, I'm going to make it 32. 32. All right, and let's move to the highlight. The highlight here, for the highlight, I'm going to make it 12. Okay, and let's move to the shadow. For the shadow, make it 17. Okay, and let's move to the temperature, make it -10. Okay, -10. And hue make it -7. Okay, done. And for the fade, you're going to make it 0. And wait, I'm going to go to the brilliance. Brilliance, make it 7. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the result. Okay guys, and I'm going to show you the before and after. I'm going to split it here. Okay, this is before I applied the dark mood color grading, and this is after I apply. You can see the different, right? Yeah, but my video is too bright, so I think I need to reduce the brightness. And actually it depends on the video that you have, guys. Okay, and it will be like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create dark mood color grading using CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.